What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to unbox a premium segment watch called Daniel Klein. Let's get into the video. So guys, let's start unboxing it as usual with my red knife. Again, this is from Amazon. So let's start unboxing. As I told, this watch is from the brand called Daniel Klein Analog Blue Men's Watch with the serial number of DK11835-3. So just from the box we have the invoice. Let's keep it aside, and the box itself. Wow, what a premium packing. This is the box, Daniel Klein, fashion for everyone. And behind the box it says the model number, which is DK11835-3, quantity 1, MRP 4250. I bought it on Amazon for 1275, and the color is blue, the size is free, manufactured by Daniel Klein Group. So it doesn't have any stickers which is the seal that is broken or not. The box is nice, and we have the protective foam, and we have the watch itself. Wow, the first look is beautiful. This is the watch. It's kind of very premium with the protective sheet. We'll remove the protective layer. I like the way it is. It is very premium. The color, the strap, the look. It has the premium look on the watch itself. So on a close look, I'm not sure if it is visible on the camera, but it is like very premium. And the color is again on my favorite end. So this is the strap. Out of all the watches that I've unboxed so far, this is the best strap tag, which is very easy to peel out. Just rip it off out of the watch. Rest all were like the plastic tags, have to cut and suffer with that. Yeah, the leather, the watch strap feels very premium, very sturdy. And yeah, not to say just premium, it is a premium version, which is at the back, premium 11835. It is a stainless steel black ATM water resistant, made in PRC. I am not sure what the PRC stands for, but this watch is amazing. The color, the look, feel, and let's read out the features of this watch. This is the dial color is in blue, and it is the case shape is in round shape. The dial is in glass material, and the color is in blue, and this is leather material, the strap as well. The watch movement time is watch display is analog. The case material stainless steel with 40 millimeter, and this is water resistant up to 30 meters. Let's wear it on our watch. Let's wear the watch on the hand and see how it looks. The moment you touch, you feel the premiumness of the watch. Very sturdy, and the small detailing. If you see on the watch lock strap, I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Let me remove it and show after I wear. It's very prime, very prime. This is how it looks. Beautiful. So as I told, the watermark of the logo is everywhere on the watch. on this clip, the strap clip, if you can see it, you see the watermark right here of the Daniel Klein logo, exactly here. So back, front, let's set the time. The time is 10:07 now. And there are two steps. The far you pull, it will set the time, and you push one step below, it will change the date. Date today is 23rd October. A little struggle to place the date and time. It is easy to figure out how to set the date, but I'm not sure how to place the date here. Push. Okay, the time is set. I will figure out how to set the day as well. So this is all about the watch. I brought it I bought it from Amazon, which had around like 87% of positive ratings with 10,000 plus customers, and this is like from 8 years on Amazon. Definitely this is a watch that is worth to buy. That is all I have. Please do like, subscribe and share my videos. I will leave the description, I will leave the buy link in the description. You can go and get one. See you in the next video. Until then, tata, bye bye.